So let's look at the following GCSE physics questions. These questions are based on the topic energy. Let's check it out. So the first question says, during 1 year, 1.25 to the power of 18 joules of energy was transferred from the national grid. Number of seconds in 1 year is 3.16 to the power of 7. Calculate the mean energy transferred from the national grid each second. Now, the mean energy transferred each second, energy per second, that is power. So here we are asked to calculate the power. So power is energy over time. This is the energy, 1.25 to the power of 18. And here is the time, 3.16 to the power of 7. So that gives me 3.96 to the power of 10 joules. So give your answer to three significant figures. That's 3.96 to the power of 10 joules. So based on this figure, we're asked that the charge flow through the cable between the solar cells and the battery in 24 hours was 27,000 coulombs. Calculate the mean current in the cable. So we're given the charge, we're given the time, and we have to calculate the current. So the equation that governs this will be Q equals to IT. So making I subject a formula, I have I equals to Q over T. Q is the quantity of charge, I is the current, and T is the time. So the quantity will be, that's 27,000 divided by, the time is an hour, so we have to convert to seconds. That will be 24. So the time will be 24 multiplied by 60 multiplied by 60. And that will give me 86,400 seconds. So divide by 86,400. So that will give me 0.3125 ampere. C. At one time, the total power input to the solar cells was 7.8 kilowatts. The efficiency of the solar cells was 0.15. Calculate the useful power output of the solar cells. So we apply the formula efficiency equals to useful output power divided by the input power. So efficiency 0.15. That's 0.15 equals to useful output power divided by 7,800. So if I cross multiply, that means the useful output power will be 0.15 multiplied by 7,800. And that will automatically give me 1,107 watts as my answer. So here is the last question. It is unlikely that all of the electricity that the UK needs can be generated by solar power systems. Explain why. So the reason is because a really large area of land would be needed to be covered with solar cells due to the fact that there is low useful output power of the solar cells. Thank you all. God bless you.